Hello friends, it's Vanna from Success Point. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to discuss a set of 100 repeat sentences. In previous video, we have already discussed 100 repeat sentences. These are very important classes, so you shouldn't miss. And listen carefully, memorize it, revise it twice or thrice if you are taking exam in October. So these 200 repeat sentences will help you out. So I'm going to discuss quickly these 100 repeat sentences for you people. Okay, so let's get started with the first sentence, which is the student welfare officer can help students with the different issues. I can also provide you a PDF. I will provide my email address in the description box, so you can just email me and I will share this PDF. Okay, and the meanwhile you can listen carefully. Fishing is a sport and a means for survival. The third one is all students on engineering courses will spend 1 year working on the wall experience. Listen carefully so that you can know how words are pronounced. Okay, because some people listen, they can listen but they don't pronounce accurately. So it's very important you should know the pronunciation of each and every word. We are constantly looking for ways to bring industry and agriculture close together. The cafe will close soon, but you can still access the snack machine, which is running throughout the night. Very lengthy sentence, but if you have already listened somewhere, or then you can, repeat it same in the exam. The next one is the 6th. There will be an open book exam on Monday, the 28th. You can have student discount in many campus stores, including the coffee house. You can change your courses on the website during the registration period. So please also I would suggest here one key point. Listen in phrases. Listen in phrases and try to break the sentence. Okay? Yeah, and try listen for understanding. Listen to understand the sentence. Okay, don't make it a हवा ओ like आपके मन में एक डर आप ले आते हो जब भी आप करते हो, तो एक समझने के लिए सुनेंगे तो आई होप यू कैन रिपीट इट. Would you please put the materials on the table? Quite easy. Extra seminars will be scheduled to assist you with the revision. Much of the evidence being used has only recently become available. Opposition to the government tax policies are widespread across business sectors. Students who wish to apply for an extension should approach their tutors. It can come as a right from dictation, so very very important. ये आपको सारे के सारे as a right from dictation भी आ सकते हैं, ठीक है, तो आपको ध्यान रखना है. The module develops our understanding of the theory behind advertising campaigns. Most students in last year's course did well in this module. Next, हमने ये कर लिए ना extra seminars, ठीक है, ये भी हो गया. The next one. The 16th one is, it is important that humans dispose of their waste in appropriate ways. Many privately owned firms have been eaten up by larger corporations. Here is only one example, but there are a lot of others. Exam results will be available next week from the course office. They say Professor James' lectures are always interesting and fun. There is an hourly bus service from the campus into town. The seminar will now take place once a week on Tuesday. The number of students registered for postgraduate research has risen. A law library is closed on Sundays and public holidays. You need to write a proposal for your research. एक टिप यहाँ पे छोटा सा और देना चाहूंगी. जब आप रिपीट सेंटेंस टास्क को अटेम्प्ट कर रहे हो एग्जाम में, डोंट स्पीक टू फास्ट. कंप्यूटर विल नॉट कैप्चर योर वर्ड्स. आप बहुत तेजी से बोलते हो, द सेमिनार विल नाउ टेक प्लेस वन से वीक ऑन ट्यूसडे. नो, आपको क्लैरिटी थ्रू आउट स्पीकिंग मॉड्यूल बना के रखनी है. प्लीज मार्क माय वर्ड्स, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप छोटी छोटी चीज पे ध्यान दें. तभी आपका स्कोर नहीं आता. आपको लगता है हम तो अच्छी प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, वी आर स्पीकिंग टू फास्ट, हमारी प्रोनाउंसिएशन भी अच्छी है. नहीं, आपको क्लैरिटी से बोलना है. ओपन योर माउथ क्लियरली, वर्ड शुड बी प्रोनाउंस्ड क्लियरली, लाउड एंड क्लियर. ओके. दिस सेमेस्टर वी प्लान टू स्पेशलाइज इन एजुकेशन साइकोलॉजी. ये स्पीड आप रख सकते हो, ठीक है. The most modern agriculture equipment is now extremely expensive. Much of the evidence used has only recently become available. I expect a long and stagnant debate on this issue for a week or two. I expect a long and stagnant debate on this issue for a week or two. Measuring distance could take up to 3 weeks. Measuring distance could take up to 3 weeks. Environmental friendliness is a new category in which campuses are competing. Please pass the handouts along to the rest of the people in your row. Please make sure all workers follow the department deadlines. Please do not bring food into the classroom. Quite easy, right? You can find the Student Service Center on the level 1 of home building. Diagnosis is not a discrete or limited process. ठीक है. आप सुन सकते हो, आप हेडफोन लगाएं और कोई भी काम कर रहे हो तो प्लीज इसकी प्रैक्टिस एग्जाम में जरूर करके जाएं, ठीक है. अदरवाइज बिना प्रैक्टिस के आप वहां पे फिर पैनिक कर सकते हैं. यू कैन नॉट अंडरस्टैंड एनीथिंग, ठीक है. ही इज ऑलमोस्ट नेवर इन हिज ऑफिस, ये रह गया ना शायद. मोस्ट ऑफ द स्ट्रेटजीज आर इन अ प्री क्लिनिकल स्टेट. Most of the strategies are in a preclinical state. He is almost never in his office. Without doubt, his primary motive was economic growth. Economic नहीं, economic. ठीक है. जैसे मैं कहती थी कि बायोलॉजी नहीं, बायोलॉजी, साइकोलॉजी, फिजियोलॉजी. तो आपको बोल बोल के इंग्लिश की प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी, तभी आपकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन ठीक होगी. A science-based approach is vital for effective advancements. In market, short time thought often lead to disaster. All of our accommodations are within a walking distance to the academic buildings. Academic नहीं, academic. The politics combine both the legislative and the political authorities. The thought never crosses my mind. ठीक है. तो इतने छोटे छोटे भी आ जाते हैं. Does the professor keep regular office hours? Books which are overdue will incur daily fine. Does the university have an ice hockey team? I have always been interested in biology and physics. Without doubt, this theory has a number of limitations. Computer software has changed a lot since last year. So 50 हमने कर लिए हैं, ठीक है. एंड बहुत ही जल्दी ये लेस कंज्यूमिंग मैंने चीज बनाई है, ठीक है. नहीं तो घंटा घंटा लग जाता है, 1.5 घंटा आपको 100 रिपीट सेंटेंसेस करने में. सुने, अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करें, चाहे स्क्रीनशॉट्स ले लें, उसको रख लें, उसको पढ़ लें बाद में, है ना. तो बेस्ट प्रैक्टिस. 51. The new drug will be tested in North America. In our campus, prospective Active students have access to 13 college libraries. Organic food is growing without applying chemicals and artificial additives. It provides an opportunity to work with other disciplines. During the second term, you are supposed to submit one essay per week. Next, in the past, people ate very different food. Quite easy one, right? Detailed analysis of population growth has revealed some alarming predictions. Important. Detailed analysis of population growth has revealed some alarming predictions. The university will introduce several new courses in the coming year. The university will introduce several new courses in the coming year. This search for universal explanations plays an important role in the development of archaeological theory. The aim of the work presented could be formulated as follows. Next, some methods for clinical applications have been presented as well. We developed a method for evaluating dynamic changes. Quantitative and temporal parameters of food consumptions were used. Protein constitute at least 30% of the total mass of all living organisms. The current and conventional methods have many disadvantages, including the side effects. There has been rapid growth in the commercial market. Cellular engineering strategies are highly desirable. Genetic and biochemical analysis have generated a detailed portfolio of mechanisms. The process has enabled the rational identification of core machinery. A key feature in drug development is the examination of pharmacological effects. This essay examined the use of computers in the science classroom. The website interface represents the stimuli that influence consumers' decision making. I repeat this sentence. The website interface represents the stimuli that influence consumers' decision making. Participants were not making an actual purchase. This one is very important. The next one is the gap between the rich and the poor did not decrease rapidly as expected. तो ये आया भी वो एग्जाम में. Process intensification provides a key competitive advantage in the market. Process intensification provides a key competitive advantage in the market. During the 1960s, several biologists made decisive contributions to the development of theoretical. I am speaking very slow and so that you can understand each and every word. During the 1960s, several biologists made decisive contributions to the development of theoretical. The problem with this is that it fails to answer the basic question. Before choosing your university course, you should consider your career. The largest department in this university is the history department. History is not a collection of dates and events. It's a very important sentence. Next one is, so 20s are left. तो जल्दी जल्दी कर लेते हैं ये भी, ठीक है? Assignments should be submitted to the department office before the deadline. तो ये आपको as a right from dictation भी आ सकता है. Very important sentence. I have a sandwich and milk for my breakfast. It is clear that little accurate documentation is in support of this claim. The lecture on child psychology has been postponed until Friday. This small Indian island is made up of forests and snowy valleys. The timetable for the new term will be available next week. The US ranks the 22nd in foreign aid given as a percentage of GDP. The application form must be submitted before end of the term. The application form must be submitted before end of the term. Vessels carry blood from the heart to other organs of the body. Chapter 1 provides the historical background to the topic. See, you definitely can find different accent in repeat sentences. That might be difficult for you. But still, if you have practiced enough and if you know the sentences and you get the same sentences in the exam, then no matter what accents you are getting in exam, you will be able to reproduce the sentence same. Okay, if you have done good practice. Okay, the last 10 are: I am pleased to report that many topics have been involved in this lecture. I am pleased to report that many topics have been involved in this lecture. The contest includes both the land history and human history. There's limited funding in this department. There is a limited funding in this department to support qualified students. We must hand in our assignments by the end of the week. We must put great care when analyzing data. The last five are: if you have problems, please contact your tutor. Hypothetically, insufficient mastery in the areas slows the future progress. If you want to receive the reimbursement, you must submit the original receipts. Receipt नहीं होता, receipts. I would like tomato and cheese sandwich on white bread with orange juice. In our city, students have access to 13 college libraries. ठीक है, अगर आपने 100 कर लिए हैं एक ही गो में तो अपने आप को शाबाश दीजिए, क्योंकि ये जो दो वीडियोस मैंने बनाई हैं 200 रिपीट सेंटेंसेस की, ये आपको काफी बेनिफिशियल साबित होंगी. अगर सेंटेंसेस आते भी हैं इनसे डिफरेंट, थोड़ा बहुत ही वर्ड्स का इधर उधर हेर फेर होता है, अल्टीमेटली इन्हीं के अराउंड ही वो घूमते हैं. ठीक है, तो अच्छे से प्रिपेयर कर लीजिए. अगर आप अक्टूबर में एग्जाम दे रहे हैं तो गुड लक. और अगर आपको इसका पीडीएफ चाहिए तो मैं अपनी ईमेल आईडी आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगी, उस पर आप आराम से मुझे मेल कर देना, तो मैं आपको ये दे दूंगी पीडीएफ. देखो, किसी भी चीज की अगर हम तैयारी करते हैं तो ये मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है कि उस चीज को आप 3 टाइम जरूर रिवाइज करो. ज्यादा करना शुड नॉट बी द एजेंडा. ठीक है, क्वांटिटी शुड नॉट बी द एजेंडा, क्वालिटी होना चाहिए आपका एजेंडा. कि हाँ भाई, हमने जो किया है क्या हम उसको रिटेन कर पा रहे हैं, क्या हम अच्छे से स्ट्रेटजीज फॉलो कर पा रहे हैं. तो ये आपका एजेंडा होना चाहिए. मतलब ज्यादा देखो, देयर आर हंड्रेड्स थाउजेंड्स ऑफ वीडियोस ऑन यूट्यूब, तो यू कैन डू 10 वीडियोस इन अ डे, बट कोई फायदा ही नहीं है, उससे आपका दिमाग ही मैस होने वाला है. तो इससे बेटर है कि आप थोड़ा करो पर उसको रिवाइज अच्छे से करो. ठीक है, उसको दिमाग में आपके बैठे वो चीज. ठीक है, तो ये मेरी एक छोटी सी आपको टिप थी. तो आई होप कि आप इसको फॉलो करोगे और अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करोगे. ठीक है जी, आई विल सी यू इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो विद द न्यू कंटेंट. अगर और इसके अलावा अगर आपको ऑनलाइन कोचिंग क्लासेस चाहिए, पीटी, नाटी, हिंदी, पंजाबी, तो आप उनसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है जी, थैंक यू सो मच, टेक केयर. ओहो, क्या हो गया इसको? वेट अ मिनट.